So I'm going to help my neighbor. They're locked from the inside and they can't get out. Ooh. Guys, you see this blowing? So the snow is behind the door and they can't get out, so I'm gonna go and do it for them. So guys, I tried doing a little bit earlier today, but my husband told me not to do it because he's at work right now. He told me to leave it. My son is going to start, so they're locked in. So I'm going to do, my phone needs to charge, so I'm going to charge it and I'm going to show you what it looks like, guys. So guys, our neighbor is an elderly. They're an elderly couple and they are locked in and we are helping them. Guys, check out all this snow. Kimmy, you did a good job. I told him to leave it, but he went ahead and do it. Good job, Kimmy, for taking the initiative and doing this for the neighbor. I know they'll appreciate it greatly. So guys, this is it. It's a lot of snow. So much snow. I've never seen this much snow. So we're going to do this.
I think it works now.
Yeah, it works now. Okay, you could tell them it works now.
Through here or?
Yeah, you could just call him and tell him that it works. Say Mr. Don. Call Mr. Don.
I already opened the door a little, but I cannot open it like fully.
It's okay as long as they get to open.
Okay, I think you like right over there.
Ah! I missed the spot, yeah.
Sorry, right over there.
Yeah, as long as they get to open the door.
Okay.
That should be good enough.
Yeah.
It's okay. So guys, look at my neighbor's roof, guys. It's so full of snow. That's a lot of snow. This is a lot of snow. And we can't really go anywhere because the sidewalks, you know, the snow plow, the people that clean the road, they are so busy cleaning the roads and they can't really get to the sidewalks as yet. You see this, guys? The sidewalks, I don't think you could use the sidewalks, so we could only walk around on the lawn. There's no lawn anymore. I can't really go anywhere. I don't want to go somewhere and I get stuck, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like, guys. It's terrible, terrible, guys. I mean, it's beautiful, it looks nice and beautiful, but guys, if you are not prepared for this, you could be locked inside of your house unknowingly until when you're ready to go outside. Guys, check this out. All this snow. 2022 snowfall, January. Is today the 17th? So this is it, guys.
Well,
The only person enjoying the snow is Kimmy. So guys, this is, everybody's trying to
wait, I know where the sidewalk is.
get their snow. I can't even walk. I mean, I can't even walk. You see the roads, they are not even cleaned yet. See here?
Now I gotta swim across.
This is not good. I guess you will have to swim across, as Kimmy said. I think we should head back home. This is bad. So Kimmy is just crawling in the snow. Guys, pray for us in Canada. This is not looking good. It's not looking good. The roof, if you take a look at some of the roofs, most of us, check how the snow is on top. I hope that it don't cave in. Ooh, wow, that is not good. So guys, I'm heading inside. I'm cold. Kimmy, let's get in. Wow. Bye guys. Thank you for your support.
Oh, I'm sinking in the snow right now. Oh no! Oh my! I can't move. What? I might gotta pause for this one. Okay. How about